So today we're going to change it up. We're going to go for our mixed fabrics. This is what we normally use before we start switching to the daily quick ones, the super short. So this is 2 hours 13 minutes, 800 spin and 40 degrees. So again, we have our unit set up inside, so we can start this and see how much it costs. Okay, so after finishing, here to see, it's still going actually. Use 16 watts at the moment, so 1 kilowatt in total over nearly 2.5 hours. A low of 4.9 and a high of over 2,200. So 40 cent a kilowatt, it has cost just on 40 cent to run a wash.